I went through so much trauma in my childhood, so much trauma through my teenage years, and so much trauma that I haven't even shared all of yet. There are some serious things I have not decided to open the box to yet. But one thing I do know is that when I come in contact with people now, especially in the field of da'wah, etc., dealing with other human beings, is that I'm able to relate to a lot of people's trauma. I'm able to relate to people who've, gone through parent issues, who have gone through abuse, who have gone through all kinds of different things in their lives, with the anxiety that I suffered for years and years, and the panic attacks, and, the bouts of up and down mood swings. All of these things I've now become grateful for, because they allow me to put myself in others' shoes when people come to me with these problems. When people come to me with these things, I'm now able to relate to them on a level that I would never have been able to relate to them otherwise. Use your past as a fuel for your fire. Like, now they fuel me, that no matter what hurdles come in my way, inshallah, no matter what hurdles my Lord puts in my way, puts in front of me, I can overcome them. I can look back at my life and see the things that I did come through, the hell that I've been through in my life, knowing full and well that whatever now comes in my way, inshallah, I'm going to face it head on and deal with it and come through it and learn something from it to the best of my abilities. That is something that is extremely hard to wrap your head around in. But once you dial that in, once you dial it in that you are going to be able to get through this, and you dial it in that your past is not your identity, it does not define you any longer, that you have that opportunity, that as long as you're living, as long as you're breathing, as long as you are still a sane individual, that you can go forward and make a different path and change in your life. And all of those things you went through before are now lessons for you to use when you encounter these things again, and also tools for you to use to help others. Then you have defeated your past. You have overcome it. You have freed yourself from those chains. You have escaped that prison, and you are now ready, inshallah, to take on life with a new vigor. And as I tweeted the other day, if you want to be something in life, if you want to make it somewhere in life, you have to focus on you. You have to be your biggest hype man. You have to believe in you more than anyone else, even when it seems ridiculous, even when it's small, even when you haven't made it anywhere yet, even when you haven't launched that project yet. You have to make dua, and say, inshallah, I am going to succeed in this if it's the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But it will not be because I quit. It will not be because I didn't try. It will not be because I gave up. It will not be because things got hard and I bailed out. No, if I fail, it is because it was not meant for me, not because I did not try, not because I did not put in the effort, not because I did not put in the time, not because I didn't put in the work. Every single day, dedication to your craft. That is my advice for you guys today. Wake up and get at it. Every single morning, wake up, put up, show up, get dressed, put a smile on your face, and grind at being the best version of yourself. If you're not, you're wasting your life.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.